Dr. Sharath Kumar. Today I am going to show you how to make a thermocol pot box pot. This is a double chambered thermocol self-watering, self-manuring pot. I am going to demonstrate you. To make this pot, we require the following equipments. You can see the equipments. We require adhesive tapes. These are available easily in the market. In any stationery shop you can get these colored tapes, and you require a marker pen and an adhesive Fevicol and a gun, that is which contains this adhesive glue gun, and you require a thermocol cutter rod. This is a hot iron rod. This rod has been made into a sharp knife by grinder. So this is the one which I use for cutting the thermocol box, and I also use knife, and I also use scale to mark, and what other things I require. So these are all the equipments I require. So if you have these equipment, a thermocol cutter, a glue gun, and various colored tapes, Fevicol or Fevifix, and glue rods, and metal scales. Metal scales are important because ordinary scales they break quickly. So what you require, and also you require knife, cutting knife, one side sharp knife. So these are the equipments we require to make the box. The first thing is take a big thermocol box. This is about 18 inches box, and what I have done is I have made it into two halves. The bottom half I have drilled a hole here through the hot rod. This is how I have made it. So put it into the heater and then put it, and take the tapes and put this tape all around the box and also into the box. So I have put green tape, then white tape, then red tape, so it looks quite great and elegant. So this is the box, and this box I have converted into two halves, the bottom half and the top half. The bottom half contains where the water will be stored. Give me this. One second. So the bottom half is about 8 inches, 6 inches, 4 inches, and the top half is about 6 inches. So totally it is about 10 to 12 inches. I have made it into two halves. The bottom half will contain the water. How water will be collected is I will show you. I have taken one thermocol box and I have cut the box and I have made it into a base. I am keeping that base here, and I have taken another thermocol plate and I have cut the thermocol plate into a rectangle, and I have drilled a hole into the thermocol plate, and I have put the wick. This is the wick, and this is a gunny coir, and I have made some portion of the coil to come down, and the other portion is remaining at the top. Now I am closing the lid. So now what happens is, when we put the water will go and it will be stored in the bottom half. Then the plant will come here, and I am going to cover the plant with this lid. See, this is the lid, and the lid has been cut by the thermocol hot rod. This is how I have made. I have cut this one and made an opening. Now I am going to close. So now the box is ready. After the box is ready, now I am going to put the plant. How we have put the plant is, you can see the plant. So the plant is in the upper half of the thermocol box, and the lower half contains the water. So the water will be always there, and even if you don't put the water for 1 month, the plants are going to survive because the water which we have put, it is in the bottom portion. And when we put excess water, what happens is the excess water will come out. It will not be there. It will come out of the hole. And only the portion of the water which, see, if I put excess water, water will drain from the side hole. So there will be no harm to this one. It will come from this point. So that's how the water only see, the water started coming. That means to say that the bottom half is already filled with water, and excess water, even if you put, it will drain out. So the plant will take only the water which is there from the bottom portion, and this bottom portion contains the water, and that much water is enough even for about 15 days to 1 month. Once you fill the bottom half with the water, the plant will survive. And these are all the plants which we have put. You can see the hole here. And when the rain also comes, it will be there. And another advantage of this, the top plate is, it will prevent the evaporation of the water and also prevents the weeds growth. And I have put dry leaves around the portion of the open lid so that acts as a manure as well as it acts as a retention of the water also. It will not easily evaporate. So the plants will be very healthy and they come very nicely. And these are all the plants. These are all the waste thermocol boxes we are using. And these are the other type of boxes which I will show you in my next video. So friends, this is how we can recycle the waste thermocol boxes and convert them into self-watering, self-wicking box. And it is easy to make. It requires 2-3 hours to make one box, but the life of the box will be more than 5 years because we have put the tape all around. It is not going to be destroyed easily. So thank you very much for watching. Signing off, Dr. Sharath.